129. While returning from Siffin, Imam Ali passed along the cemetery of Kufa. Addressing the graves, he said, "O you who are lying in horrible and deserted houses, O you who are shut up in the dark graves, who are alone in their abodes, strangers to the places assigned to them, you have gone ahead and preceded us, while we are also following your steps and shall shortly join you. Do you know what has happened after you? Your houses and property was taken up by others. Your widows have remarried. This is what we can tell you of this world. Can you give us some news about things around you?" Saying this, Imam Ali turned to his companions and said, "If they are permitted to speak, they will inform you that the best provision for the next world is piety and virtue.